Good evening. Today is March 14, 2024 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, March 14, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for March 14, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Thursday, March 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.